Hello, Hanako. Why don't we have lunch together?
Okay, let's go.
Hanako, look at this. It looks delicious.
Yes, which would you like to eat?
Well, mm, it's hard to choose. By the way, doesn't it become cold?
Don't worry, touch it.
Oh, it's hard.
Yeah, because it's plastic food.
Really? I have never seen anything like this.
In Japan, we can see plastic food in front of restaurants.
It's made very well. How is it made?
Let's learn how to make. First, take the picture of real food and sketch it. Boil agar, the agar becomes the model of the sample. Put the real food in a container. Pour agar for the container. Agar hardens. Reverse the container after the agar hardens. Take out the real food in the agar.
Pour colored wax in the hole where taken out before. Take out the wax from the model when the wax becomes hard. Paint colors and give shine. Put them on a dish. It's a little difficult to make.
I think so too.
I'd like to meet an expert.
He's an expert. By the way, can you guess what he's making from now on?
I don't know.
It will become a dish cooked in a pot at the table. They are used as ingredients.
Oh, there are many ingredients.
Yeah, we often see them in a supermarket.
Are they all plastic or real food?
They are plastic foods.
Oh, really? I look forward to finish the one.
There are such plastic foods elsewhere.
Plastic foods are in front of restaurants. We can imagine the food, what it is like, by seeing the plastic foods.
Plastic foods are made with vinyl and plastic. There are many kinds. They were made with wax once, but wax is weak at direct rays of the sun, so it was changed from wax into plastic. Sometimes the food which is hard to make with plastic is made with wax.
Plastic foods are almost made one by one because the forms of the plate, amount of food, and how to dish up are different with each shop. Plastic foods are Japanese unique culture. Foreign people are surprised at them because they are very elaborate. There are stores near the temple of Asakusa that is popular with foreign people, and the plastic food goods of sushi, tempura are also popular with them. There are goods made as souvenirs, for example key case, mobile phone strap, and accessories.
Japanese eat New Year dishes for New Year holidays. There are all the plastic hoods are made with a handicraft. After all, they seem to sell well before New Year holidays.
I think Japanese culture is great. Japanese are very skillful with hands. I was excited very much today.
I also think it is one of the excellent Japanese cultures.
Thank you for watching.